Okay, let's go.
Hi, would you like to buy anything? I have a lot of stuff here.
Okay. Go buy. Maybe I should buy one. Okay.
Sure, you can buy anything you want. Just take the basket and take the stuff that you want.
Okay.
Do you want all of that?
Yeah.
Would you guys like a bag?
Of course, yes. Yeah.
This is your total.
Thank you.
50 ringgit. Give me. There you go, your receipt. Oh, there's a discount, so only 10 ringgit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Come on.
Nah.
This is my car. 9, 10.
Okay, see you next time. Bye. Money. We'll see you guys in another Flower Sisters channel. But for now, subscribe, like, and share. See you later, guys. Bye.